Hello guys! Welcome to my channel again. If you are new to my channel, please click the notification down below and subscribe. So today is workout day after the Halloween party. So I'm in the gym right now with my buddy there. Hey! She's working out on her cardio. So I'm done already with this cycling thing here. So next we had this bench finish here because tinan nyo guys, super big na yung tummy ko. Kaya I need to work out na. So ito yung mga equipment ito. Not so nice, pero okay na din. Ito yung treadmill nila. Look at the treadmill. This is for, hindi ko alam paano gagamitin ito. Ano ito? How do you use this, Grace? Just pulling like this? Or I don't know. Paano to? Ito. Ano yan? Paano yan? Or sa doon yan? Ewan ko guys, hindi niya rin alam kung paano. Oh, yan. So, ito yung pool. It's the gym and this is the pool. So, very near. Ayan. So workout for me. Ito yun. Ito siya. Kapoy na day. Kapoy na sinda. So mag-treadmill ako. Road to sexy. Road to sexiness to guys. Under the light, anything goes. We don't own that music guys ha. Ayan kasi ang laki ng chan ko. Mga chubs. Si Madam Gilag ng mga chubs. Ako ito puro tabs. Hindi to chubs, tabs. Ito. So, ang distance yan kasi masyado 1 lang ako. Kilometer lang guys. Yan lang ang kaya ko. So yan na, umandar na siya. Nag-treadmill na ako. Diyan lang kayo guys ha, kasi mag-workout lang ako. Kung umalis. Keep watching lang kayo ah. Watching. Mga ano lang naman to sa akin, mga 15 minutes. Para mga dula lang ako. Adidas, thank you. the music. Does it feel right? Parang ganun. Road to sexiness kasi ito. Yun yung may sabihin. Papa-sexy kasi siya. Para sa road to sexiness. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and comment down below. Later na naman kasi kakaririn ko muna itong pag-gym ko. Okay, ciao! See you guys!